Hey you guys, I am Melissa Miller and I angle you down a little bit so maybe you can see my table a little bit better. Ooh, you know what I could do now that I feel like this would be, okay, this is how it comes to life. I think that this could be pretty cute on here. And we're going to use straight up black on this. So I'm going to tape this down so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm just using some painter's tape. So I'm going to do some black. I'm going to do the black first and try to decide if I want to add the purple. So I feel like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is so cute. And I love it. Look at this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna just go for it. And we're gonna, that looks just fine. It's so busy that you don't necessarily notice that it doesn't quite match up. You might if you really looked. But if we tie some ribbon on that and some dress it up for fall, how cute is that? So this one is grooved. So I'm going to do the smooth side. And I don't think I'm going to add any purple. I'm sorry. Purple is a great idea, but I think I'm going to keep this in the color scheme I'm going and maybe add something with color here to kind of go with it. And I am considering the ghosts. Let's see what this looks like. My mom loves the ghost in the house. So I think I'll do this and then but I'm going to kind of make this a little bit different looking. I think I'm going to just do a little bit of dry brushing on it. You can see here I'm just using my stencil brush and I'm just dry brushing and I'm kind of yanking or pulling this around, not really yanking it, but I'm kind of going over the edges like this on the side of it to just kind of give it a border with my, just the same stencil brush that I just used. And it's going to kind of trim it out, I guess I would say, or edge it. And I'm just kind of pulling it down right over that. And it's giving it a nice black line kind of around it. So I'm going to just do that a little bit to this. I don't want it to be solid painted, but I wanted it to have a little bit of black on it. Okay, so just kind of got it like so, right? Looks a little bit aged over that wood. So with our transfers, these, if you have not ever used this before, they're kind of like a temporary tattoo. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of trim it to fit. So my little bat is not, he's got to have to be trimmed off. I might still use him, but I like to trim these as much as I can, as close as I can to them. So I'm just trimming that around the piece right here. And I'm going to have it go off of my pumpkin just a little bit. So that's okay. We're going to center this guy in here. So now this is just going to pull off right here like so. And I'm going to grab this piece right here where you can't see any of the art, right? And I'm just using this little tool right here. And this is the easy part. All you have to do is just kind of burnish it onto your project. How cute is that? Oh, cute. Look at how cute that is. adorable? So now if I just tie some string onto him, that looks so cute and spooky. Okay, so now on the other side, we do Halloween, right? So I stenciled on this, and so on here, or I mean we do fall. So let me do another pattern. I feel like this pattern could look really pretty on there. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of use this at a diagonal, and I am going to use metallic, and I'm gonna hold this down, and we are gonna go for it. Okay, I think we got it, and it is pretty, so pretty. Look at that. That is my reverse. It is very pretty. And let's find a transfer that's gonna look nice with this. And let's figure out what I want to put on there. Yes, how darling will that be? He is pretty darn cute. You can see this, how I'm transferring them. Such easy projects. Essential Stencil makes it so easy to craft, so easy to bring your projects to life. So I have a completely interchangeable set of 2 pumpkins, and for fall and for Halloween. Pull it up from there. There we go. How cute. So let me take my little dry brush of my copper, and let me do a little bit of dry brushing right around these edges on this guy. See how that changed it? There we go. So we've got these 2 little cuties. Then we switch them around, and we've got Spooky Halloween. Pretty cute. So I'll turn this up just a little bit. So I appreciate your time tonight too. Thanks for being here, friends, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next